Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to insert and edit tables in Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to have a Microsoft Office software installed in your Windows computer. Then after installing, you proceed with my tutorials. So firstly, we'll start with the Microsoft Word. So just open or run the Microsoft Word. You can use any Microsoft Word version. Here I'm using a 2007. You can use the latest or the older also. The procedure will be the same. So this is a Microsoft Word. So how you can add the tables? So you can see in the top, you can select this insert and you can see your tables. You can select a choice of your tables, as you can see. If you want a table of your respective choice, say 3:3, so you can 3 horizontal and 3 vertical. So if you need this kind, or if you want a custom also, you can choose tables. You can just choose it, or you can just select this insert table, and here you will get options. Say if you need a 12 by 12, so just type 12 and a 12 by 12 rows if you did, and you can just select it auto, click OK, then you will get a 12 by 12 options. So this way you can insert tables in your Microsoft Word very easily. So what about customizing? Say you want to remove this line, this single line. So what you need to do is just select this both the boxes or the cells and just right click here, and you can see here merge. So it will be merged together, and you can see here no more lines. Similarly in the other section also, here again you don't want this single line, just right click again, click merge. So in this way, and if you want more, just select 2, 3 and click on merge. So in this way you can customize and edit your respective tables, and if you want to make it bigger, just you can drag it and it will become bigger in size. So this is the simple way to insert tables and edit tables in your Microsoft Word. So this is all about Microsoft Word. So we'll jump with the second software named as Excel. So here you can see it's already having tables, but when you print out you won't get any tables like this. So what you need to do, say I will just type some words here, say class, subject, teacher. So I'll just typing and I'll just select this. Say I want to insert a table here. So for this, what you need to do here, in this case you can click on this insert and you can click on select. So you don't insert a table here. In the Microsoft Excel case, it will be little different. If you want to insert a table or the boxes, then you need to select this option, which is named as border. So select this down arrow. So here are the respective boxes. So I will just select all the cells into all borders. So when you print it out, then you will get a box of this kind. So in a similar manner, if you want to remove this single line from here, just select this board, just right click, and you can see here it will just select on merge. Or you can do one thing, just select this line again, and you can see in the top merge or center. You can select a search, merge and center, merge across, merge cells. So I just want to remove the center here line, so I'll just select this merge. So these are the simple ways to insert a table in your Microsoft Excel and edit those respective tables in your Microsoft Excel. So let's jump to the third software, that is the Microsoft PowerPoint. And here it is straightforward. It's almost same like the Microsoft Word. So here you can see in the top left corner, just click on insert. you can just select the same as the Microsoft Word, or if you want to customize more, then just select this insert and you can just put a number of depending upon your needs and click OK, and it will get insert. So similarly, in the similar manner, you can just select the cells and you can just merge the cells, you can see, to remove or customize the respective cells in your Microsoft PowerPoint. So these are the simplest way and the basic things to insert and edit tables in Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So if you never known or you are new to the Microsoft Word, PowerPoint and Excel and want to insert tables and want to edit them too, then you can try this video tutorial. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.